Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And I've been noticing that you guys can't really hear me because I'm speaking very low. So I'm gonna try and speak louder this time. In this last video I'm usually sick from my throat, so I'm sorry if I made any unusual sounds. But let's get playing. And this time I hope you can actually hear me, because the webcam doesn't really work very well. I mean, it does, but it's not it's not using my computer camera that my built-in. Oh my goodness. Really? Well, I'm gonna see if I can just pause it real quick. Oh yeah, okay. So I've managed to skip it. And oh my goodness, this music is so loud. Okay, searching in the box. Well, yes, you can see I got a pretty cool new look. Look like an alien, I know. Ooh. You know what I can do with this pistol? I can use it as a screwdriver. Yeah. Hee 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 hee. But I have a screwdriver right here. Okay. That's a freaking gun. I'm just gonna have to find some police officers, because if they find me and they start shooting me, I'm in big trouble. Because like usually if I'm innocent, they can't hurt me, but now I took out my gun and I was stressing and now I'm gonna die. So what if I already have gunpowder? I can make some straight deals. Give them gunpowder. I'll give them gunpowder for wood. Okay. Now I can finally eat without using my hands. Just like the elegant gentlemen do it. Oh, are you a police officer? Why, Steve? Okay. Who the heck are you? Oh yeah, guys, did I tell you? Right now I'm actually playing with a friend, as you can see. Right here. I hope I'll be meeting him. Okay. But guys, you won't need to be seeing while I get to the prisoner of that, so I'll just skip. Accidentally managed to get arrested, so I'll just have to skip everything that I tried to get escaped, guys. So I will see you when I'm out. Guys, I've managed to get myself a pistol here, and my friend is actually coming to rescue me. So there's hope in life. Oh no, oh god no. I'm pretty sure that you were the one that killed me last time. Gonna do a little turn. Okay, so now I will need to be Okay, so now I will need to be very careful because of this good person. Okay. Oh, so I guess he left. Let's take a little look at the chat. Oh, it's in Spanish. Okay, guys, if you guys didn't know, I actually speak Spanish. So I'm gonna try and introduce. Something. Introduce everything. Oh, you took the freaking key card! Well, I clearly shot him more. Okay, so this say. Oh, well, this comes. Oh no, it's in English too. Yes, 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 yes. It's nice to be back into my old clothes. Oh god, no. Goodness, no. Oh, no, that was just myself. Oh, wait, no. Leave me alone. Okay, so cool, so nobody's. No, I don't want to be in your plane, though. There we go. No. Okay. Well, helping is caring. I think that was different. Okay. I'm pretty sure the saying was different, but oh well. Oh yeah, I can just do the laziness trick, which I just reset myself. And I'm all the way back in here. Easy peasy. We'll take this boss, take this AK-7. Ah! Oh yeah, it's actually different. Change it to my clothes. You know I'm actually already changed. Okay, so I'm going to the pyramid. And where's my friend? I'm just gonna call him. So I'm sorry if I speak in Spanish. Hope you don't hear me. Raúl, te voy en la base. Sí. Okay, you guys obviously heard that. Ah, she's so ashamed now. And my webcam is... Okay, I'm gonna try to find a way to turn on my webcam, guys. I'm just gonna pause it real quick. Oh wait, okay. So guys, I cannot find a way to record my face, but here's my friend. So we're going to the pyramid. So he better get on. He better get up. Okay, well, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm leaving him here. Oh, so he actually got on. Oh, the plane doesn't work. Okay, so clearly, guys, all the vehicles are now that. Okay. Okay. See. Here we go. Come on, let's go. Yeah. What's up, Boaty Dog? My little hero friend. Oh, for a second I thought I was level 12. Which I'm obviously level 34, as you can see. How come nobody has come throughout this? Oh, there's a police officer here. Oh, hurry up, dog. Okay, my friend doesn't speak English that well. Oh, I'm still in the prisoners team. If I clear... Okay. That is just fantastic. Just gotta skip while I escape real quick. Guys, I've got my way of escaping. As you can see here, a lockpick. Just gotta wait for him to follow me. Come on here, my fellow friend. I love walking backwards, I don't know why. That what shall be my newest talent. Oh no, there's a police coming. There's a Wickham police. How did it help him? I can beat him, but I'm only human. Why is there so low? Okay. Why is it this guy? Aha! No, I think. Okay, so clearly nothing is working. Ah! Okay, so We're going on a trip on a super watermelon plane. The little criminals, here we go on a brand new robbery. We will be this, and the next time we see a freaking police officer, we will kill it. Because I hate the campers that just stay in here in the robbers. The sparks there. Whoa, he's dead. And now it's only me. I gotta run for it. Okay, I know it. I'm gonna die in the last jump. I knew it. And now my. Okay, so he's here. And have I introduced you to the Grim Reaper? Onto this lava thingy. What's he gonna do this time? Okay, I'm just gonna dance with that. Gave up in the dance contest. The dance competition, and I clearly won it. Which, oh yeah, the casino, whatever. Oh yeah, do you guys know a little glitch I know? Oh yeah. I might just make another video in which I show you what secret cookie where the secret Easter egg is at if you guys don't know. It's actually not that hard if you know what I mean. I'm also not gonna be like all those other YouTubers that just talk. Yeah, you stupid. Oh. These bullet sounds are so loud. Why don't we just go out? What hit? Oh, it was my friend. He freaking shot at me. Scared me there. Okay. That's a pretty nice car. Might have to confiscate it. Okay, what's this? He's saying how does he pick up a hero's power? Well, for starters, man, you gotta kill it. And there's not a very high chance that he'll actually drop a power. 19,000. Oh no, 186,000? Okay, so guys, my laptop is barely having charge. Okay, so I gotta charge this real quick. Oh, this is so annoying. Okay, so I gotta charge this real quick. Who is opening and closing the freaking door? I mean, last time it was me, but there we go again. It was my friend. Why am I not surprised? Boop. Okay, so there we go. It's charging. I'm just gonna go back here. Keep on here. Just gonna see how much more time I've got left. Oh, I gotta end the video here. Guys, I'm sorry, but I better end the video here. So goodbye. It's been very fun. Yes, very, very, very fun.